everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been offline lately because I've been dealing with some offline students, tutorials, training and all that. Well, I'm back now and today we'll be talking about edible glitters. This could be used as toppings for your cakes and also your desserts. So let's get started. If you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of my recipes. For this recipe, we're making use of just 2 items, your corn flour and your water. Room temperature water is very simple. Please remember to check the description box below this video for a link to the written recipe. So I just poured my corn flour into my saucepan and I'm adding my water and I'm going to stir this up well. You can use a hand whisk so that there are no lumps in it. So I'll stir this up well till it's combined and I'll transfer this to a medium heat and I'm going to keep stirring it till the mixture becomes translucent, that is a little bit transparent, and then the color is going to change from this milky white to a transparent look. So I took it now to heat and I'm just stirring. Like I said, this is very simple. You can use it as toppings for your dessert, for your parfait, cake parfaits and the likes, and you can just sprinkle it on your cakes and it brings out this glittering effect. You don't need to get glitters at the market. Now keep stirring it. You will know when it's ready by the time the liquid reduces in quantity, and also you will notice it drying at the side of your saucepan. Now this is on low heat. It is not boiling, it's just steaming on low heat. I'm going to show you what I mean by drying at the sides. And this is ready. I remove it from heat and look at the color, look at how transparent the liquid is. Now I peeled, you see me peeling something from the side. It's like a skin drying. This shows that your mixture is ready. Now look at it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to divide it into different bowls. I'm going to divide them into different bowls. I'm going to be using 6 colors, and for these glitters you could use paste colors, liquid color, powdered color, but please make sure they are edible colors because I'm dealing with edible things here. I'm just dividing them into 6 bowls and I'm going to mix in my food colors. Please use a good brand of food coloring so that your edible glitters comes out very well. First, I'll be starting with a paste color, and make sure you mix it up very well so that the colors are well mixed. You don't have some parts that are mixed with colors and other parts that are not mixed. Make sure all parts are well mixed. Next color I'll be using is going to be a red powdered color. So like I said, you could use a powdered color, you could use a paste color, you could use a liquid color, but please make sure they are edible colors and make sure you are using good brand of colors. Please remember to check the description link below for a link to the detailed recipe. Also remember to check previous videos to see some of my very simple tutorials, and if you need to sign up for a class, please check the description link below for a link to chat up with me or sign up for any of my online classes or on-site classes. Now these are ready. The next thing I'm going to do is getting my acetate sheet. Now I'm using a colored version, a blue version of it, so that you could see my liquid I'm spreading on the acetate sheet. You could use the transparent one. You could get this acetate sheet at the bookshop or at a big cake store. Now spread it up, spread it very well. Now, I'm going to transfer this to a baking tray so it will be easier for me to carry. Yes, I just did that now. It will be easier for me to lift up the acetate sheet. Now spread it up very well. Let it be very, very light. I'm going to leave this to sun dry. Keep it in a place that will not be tampered with by pests or rodents. Then keep it in your kitchen in a place that you know is going to have direct rays of sunlight. And these are dry. This took me about 6 hours and they are dried. Next step is to blend it. You could decide to blend it to be slightly rough like mine because I wanted to use it for a cake and I wanted it to reflect more, or you could decide to blend it to a powdery form like the one you see at the cake stores. So I'm just going to peel it off and I'm going to blend this. Dry blend, you're not adding any liquid, just blend it dry and your edible glitters are ready. Now you can see this is very simple, very economical. You're not spending so much money, you're saving yourself a lot of expenses. So, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and see you next week.